This is a simple part. There's different ways of building this part, but we will use a thin extrusion option for this one. So coming back, this is an inch system, so we will make sure the part is in inch unit. So IPS, inch pound second option is on, so we are in inch system. And I'll use this front plane at the first sketching plane and extrude it, and I will draw a line like this. It shows the shape of the profile of this part. I need to add a dimension, and that length will be 2.5. I don't want to draw the full length of this bracket. Okay, not just to the hole, but the full length. So that will be 2.5 plus the radius is 0.75. So that will be 2.5 plus 0.75. And the angled bracket length is 1 plus the radius of this one is again 0.75. The typical means that this the radius here is shared by the other side. So that will be 1 plus 0.75. And the angle is for 45 degrees. So select this line and select that line. And depending on where cursor is, it gives you a different angle. So what we want is this angle. That is 45 degrees. The full sketch is fully constrained, and I need to extrude it. And because this profile is open profile, it automatically adds this thin feature option on. And the thickness of that plate is 0.38. Actually, it will be 0.375, and is rounded up. So I'm going to use a 0.375 because 0.38 would be kind of an odd dimension. And the width of this will be actually the diameter of this end cylinders. So the diameter of the end cylinder will be 2 times 0.75. So it will be 2 times 0.75. And we want them to be mid-plane, so that I have a plane that is in the middle. Okay, same principle. Whenever you want to create a part that is mirror image from a plane, you want to use mid-plane option. Now we have to create this end shape, kind of a tombstone shape. And the easiest way you can do is using the fillet option. Not a constant radius, but full round fillet. If you use that, and then look at the icons, you have to select one side, and the second one is the end surface. That is this one, and then you need to select the other end, the other side. If you see the full preview, that shows the fillet. And we do the same thing for the other end. Round full fillet, select one side. The order doesn't matter. You can select any side first, but you have to choose the proper end surface. That end surface will be completely removed, replaced by this fillet surface. Okay. Alright. So that'll create basically this shape. And then we need to add the 2 holes, both ends, and its diameter is 0.68. So we'll create a hole. We'll just use the extrude cut because this lessons is all about extrusions and extrusion cuts. And if you move your cursor to the arc here, I'm not pressing any button, you just move your cursor over there, it pops up this inference point, which is the center of this hole. So you can snap the center of the hole right there because they're concentric. and we have to add a diameter. Again, diameter is 0.68. Well, probably this is 0.675 rounded up. Let's add 675, but you can use 0.68 if you want to. Alright, so that, and I want them to be raw. Do the same thing on the other side. Select the surface for your sketching plane. Again, move your cursor over the edge, snap to the center point, and add a diameter. 0.675, and exit from the sketch and select through all option, and that will finish this part.